Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the chapter number system, and in this video we are going to learn binary number system, conversion of decimal to binary number system and binary to decimal number system. So first of all, let us know what is binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this number system uses two digits, it has base 2. So all digital computers that we use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Now why binary only? A computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output. For example, the computer that we use or any electrical appliances works on electricity. Okay, that means only two states are there. When the appliance is on, or you can say if the computer is on, that means it is in one state, and when the computer is off, that means it is zero state. We know computer is made up of many small particles, or you can say small components like registers. So whenever electricity is passing through, that means our computer is in working state, or we can say it is in one state. Whenever electricity is not passing, that means it is in zero state. Since we know decimal number system, that is starts from 0 to 9, our decimal number system needs to get converted to binary number system. Okay, and when computer wants to give output, this binary number system gets converted into decimal number system. Now let us do some work, let us solve some problem of this conversion. So first one is conversion of decimal number system into binary number system. Let us take an example of a decimal number system, suppose 25. Since it is decimal number system, it will have base 10 and it will get converted into binary number system having base 2. So what we have to do, we will write the number and keep on dividing it by 2. So 12 to the 24, we will get the remainder 1. Okay, we have to keep dividing the number, decimal number, with 2, that means base of the binary number system, and whatever remainder we will get, we have to write this way. Now we will divide this 12 by 2 to 6 12, that means 12 is completely divisible, so remainder we will get, we will write here, that is 0. 2 3 is 6, again completely divisible, that means 0 again. 2 1s are 2, that means remainder we are getting 1. Okay, we have to go on dividing until we are not getting 0 or 1 at the last. So how we have to write? We have to start from the bottom. Okay, bottom to up. So the binary equivalent of decimal 25 is 11001 base 2. Okay, now the first remainder that we have got is called least significant digit, and the last remainder that we have got is called most significant digit. Hope this conversion is clear to you. Now next conversion is from binary into decimal number system. So let us take an example of 1001 base 2. So for first work is to count the number of digits 1 2 3 4 digits, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. We have to subtract 1 from the number of digits. Why we have to subtract? I am telling you. So what we will do, we will write the digit, that means 1 into 2 to the power 3. That means these 3 we will write as a base here, plus 0 into 2 to the power 2, plus 0 into 2 to the power 1, plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, that means here we are writing the digits. Okay, and 4 minus 1, 3, what I have told you, we have to start writing from the power of the base 2. Okay, so we will solve 1 into 2 to the power 3 is 8, plus we know any number multiplied with 0 is 0, plus 0, plus we know any number to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, so 8 plus 1, 9, base 10, since we have converted to decimal number system. So the decimal equivalent of binary 1001 base 2 is 9 base 10. So hope this video is helpful for you. Take the numbers by your choice and go keep practicing the conversions. In next video we will learn about octal number system. Okay, till then, thank you.